One run completed. Good running. Let's see how much spin the bowler can get from this wicket. Strike rotation is the key, and these two are following it. The good thing about these two is they don't believe in too many dot balls. The ball turns and the batsman got that completely wrong. Just a tap and added a single to the score. The fielder was and the batsman misses. An easy single there kept the scoreboard ticking. One run completed. Good running. The ball was struck so well that the fielder can't get to it. There wasn't any fielder there on the boundary rope. Bang! He's hit it out of the park and the ball goes sailing over the fielders' heads. He got into good position and poise and managed to lift it over the fielders. Turning ones into twos and twos into threes is what wins them games, and their fitness levels are right up to it. Strike rotation is the key, and these two are following it. Just couldn't get the timing right, and he misses the ball completely. Superb shot, right from the meat of the bat. Just look how well he's played that.